Brinjal and prawn curry. I've got 300 grams of brinjal cut into small cubes and 200 grams of prawns, the big prawns. You can have small prawns also, it will be good. And these are about 20 prawns. So one medium onion chopped fine, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger and 1 green chili all chopped fine, and this is one tomato, chopped tomato, and these are some a bunch of coriander leaves, powders, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, cumin seed powder, and coriander powder. So all half a teaspoon. Now these prawns are marinated earlier with little turmeric powder and salt and kept aside for about half an hour. And this is 1 cup of coconut milk. So I placed a deep pan on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, you add the chopped onions and fry it for about a minute, and then you add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies and fry for about 2-3 minutes. The mixture of onions, green chilies, ginger, garlic is fried now until it's slightly brown. Now add all the powders and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And also the chopped tomato. Mix well and lower the flame and let it fry 3 minutes. If it dries up, add little water and continue frying. Add the chopped cubed brinjal and coriander leaves. Mix well. Fry for a minute. Then add water, about 2 cups water, and let it cook in that. Brinjal is all mixed and fried well. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Mix and let it on slow flame, let it cook for about, cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add the prawns, mix well and cook for about another 5 minutes. Check for salt if required, and now add coconut milk, 1 cup coconut milk. Let it cook on slow flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. The brinjal and prawn curry is ready.